Morning students, today we are going to start second chapter, that is pronouns. Okay, so open page number 21 and see. In last session we have seen parts of speech, in that we have learned what is pronouns. Okay, today we'll just see the meaning what is pronoun. Pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns to avoid the repetition. Okay, so when you write essay, paragraph, that time you have to just use pronouns in place of nouns. Why do we use pronouns here? To avoid the repetition of nouns. Okay, it looks so dirty or so bad. Okay, so to make effective your essay or passage, we have to use pronouns here. Okay, so there are 7 types of pronouns written here on the board. You can see first one, personal pronoun; second one, possessive pronoun; third one, demonstrative pronoun; interrogative pronoun; fifth one, relative pronoun; sixth one, emphasizing pronoun; and last one, indefinite pronoun. Okay, you will find all the pronouns with explanation, with the examples in the books. Okay, so you have to go through the chapter. Okay, so today we are going to see one by one all types, okay, with explanation. So see page number 22. So first one, personal pronouns. First, before that you must know the pronouns. Which are the pronouns? There are 7 pronouns here written. See first one, I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. These are 7 pronouns. Okay, so first one, this is called first person. Now there are again 3 parts of persons. Okay, so first one, first person; second one, second person; this is second person; this is third person; and this is second person plural. It is called plural. This is plural or singular. Sorry. This is first person singular. This is first person plural. Then this is second person. We use, it is singular as well as plural. Okay, for both we use you. Then he, she, it is third person singular, and they is third person plural. Okay, so these are the pronouns. These pronouns we use in place of nouns. Okay, so this is called personal pronouns. These all are called personal pronouns. For example, if we see, I am a teacher. Okay, so here I used first person. Okay, that is I. Then here Rishi is an honest boy. Okay, if you are talking about Rishi, you are writing any paragraph about Rishi, then you will use Rishi word. Okay, but you have to use a pronoun for Rishi word. Okay, to avoid this Rishi word repetition. Okay, so what type of person you will use, or pronoun you will use here? He. Okay, so he is an honest boy. Okay, so like this you have to use pronouns. Okay, while using pronouns. Then second one, possessive. When we use possessive pronouns, yes, possessive pronouns are used to show possession on objects or subjects. Subjects means human beings or live things. Okay, and objects means non-living things. For example, scale. This is mine. Okay, then this is also mine. For example, your bag is kept there on the bench. That is your bag. So here we use possessive words such as his, hers, ours, themselves. Okay, mine. Such words are called possessive pronouns. Okay, so here you use these words to show possession on something. Okay, so that time we use possessive pronouns. Then third one, demonstrative pronouns. Okay, when we have to point, when we point out something, that time we use demonstrative pronouns. Which are they? This, that. These are singular, okay, and these, those, these are plural. So here if you see, this is singular, okay. Here when the thing is near to us, that time we use this is a book, this is a chalk, okay. And when singular thing is far away from us, that time we use that is a bag, that is a bench, that is a boy, okay. Singular, for singular we use this, but this is for close one and this is for far away, okay. And these are the plural form of this. This is the plural form of this, and those is the plural form of that, okay. This is for plural forms we use. So these four words are called demonstrative pronouns. Next type of pronoun is interrogative pronoun. It is so simple. Interrogative means we use some words to ask the questions, okay. So what types of words we use to ask the question? WH word, okay. So WH word we use to ask the question, such as why, what, how, then where, which, so on, okay. So you know these all the words, okay. We use this to ask a question, that is called interrogative words, okay. And when we use such types of words, okay, as a pronoun, that is called interrogative pronouns. Next type of pronoun is called relative pronoun. Now relative pronoun means what? Who in that? Here we use relative pronouns as a conjunction also, okay, when we are talking about subject, okay. So for example, see, the boy who came to see me are my friends. Boys here, see, because are is used here plural form. So see, if you observe this sentence here, you will find this who, okay. Who is here relative pronoun, because it is not used as a question, it is used as a relation, okay. So it is showing relation with these boys. Who? The boys who came to see me are my friends, okay. So these are my friends, who? Boys. So that is why such words are called relative pronouns, okay. So all WH words are used as a relative pronouns, then that also is one of the relative pronoun, okay. So you have to learn this, which are relative pronouns, which are demonstrative pronoun, which are personal pronouns, okay. So you have to read, okay. By practicing only you can understand this, okay, and you can remind this forever. Then next type of pronoun is that emphasizing pronoun. Now what is emphasizing pronoun? When we stress or emphasize on something, that time we use emphasizing pronoun, okay. So how to recognize or identify the emphasizing pronouns, okay. So when we join self or selves prefix, okay, these are the prefix, sorry, these are the suffix, I'm sorry, these are the suffixes. When you join two pronouns, these suffixes, okay, at the end, this is for plural form and this is for singular form, okay. So that time, that is called emphasizing pronoun. Ourselves, themselves, like this, herself, myself. So here you can see I have joined self at the end, okay, as a suffixes to him, her, my, okay. Here the selves, two are thems, okay. So such words are called emphasizing pronouns. For example, the dog scratched itself. The dog scratched itself, okay. It is used for animals, okay. So this is called emphasizing pronoun, okay. The dog itself, dog only, itself scratched. Okay, no one, no other animal scratch it, itself only scratch it. Another example, if you see, that is Nisha looked at herself in the mirror. See, Nisha looked at herself in the mirror. Okay, so here herself you will find this is the emphasizing pronoun. So Nisha is herself, okay, about her. So she is herself, she herself is looking at in the mirror. Okay, so in this way we use emphasizing pronoun. Then, so the examples: myself, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. These are the emphasizing pronouns. Then next one, that is last one, indefinite pronouns. Okay, do you use somebody word? Okay, anybody word, somebody, anybody, then something, okay, then none, some. These words we use, okay, while talking or while writing. That time those words are called indefinite pronouns. Okay, so this is the lesson. Today we have seen one by one all the types of pronouns. I hope you have understood whole the chapter, and I'll send you the answers, okay, later. So you have to go through once again, you study this chapter. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.